Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve question based on past adjustment. In my previous video, I have explained and solved the question related to profit and loss appropriation account. Now I am going to solve question number 40b, 42b based on past adjustment. So let us see what will be solution of question number 42b. Question is saying Ravi and Mohan were partner in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 7:5. Their respective fixed capitals were Ravi 10 lakh and Mohan rupees 7 lakh. The partnership provided the followings. First, interest on capital at the rate of 12% per annum. Second, Ravi's salary rupees 6,000 per annum and Mohan's salary rupees 60,000 per year. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 was 5,04,000, which was distributed equally without providing for the above. So, pass an adjustment entry. Student, one thing here. When question is saying pass journal entry, then it means we have to pass a single journal entry. But question is saying entries. Entries means more than one entry. So you have to understand, entry means we have to pass single journal entry for this question. So let us start the solution. First, we will calculate which account will be debit and which account will be credit. Then I will pass journal entry. So according to question, suppose first I am drawing a adjustment table. A statement, we can say a statement of adjustments. Particulars: Ravi, Mohan, and total. Student, question is saying without distribution of interest on capital and salaries of partner, profit of the firm 5,04,000 distributed equally. So we will write before adjusted, before adjusted, and this is 5,04,000 in the ratio of 1:1. It means equal. So it has been wrong adjusted, and when we will adjust profit, it will be credit, but it has been wrong adjusted, so we have to do debit it, and amount will be 2,52,000, 2,52,000 debit, and total will be 5,04,000. Now student, question is saying interest on capital at the rate of 12% per annum. So now we have to adjust interest on capital 12% per annum. So interest will be on 10 lakh, it will be 12%, means 1,20,000, and we have to adjust interest on capital in partner capital account. So we all know it will be credit, and on 7 lakh at the rate of 12% per annum, it will be 84,000 credit. So total will be 1 lakh, total will be 2,04,000. Now salary, it will also credit 72,000 for Ravi and 60,000 for Mohan. So it will be 1,32,000. And now I will share profit, remaining profit. So when we deduct 2,04,000 and 1,32,000 from remaining, from 5,04,000, it means 5,04,000 minus 2,04,000 minus 1,32,000, it will remain 1,68,000, and I will distribute it 7:5, because question is saying ratio is 7:5. Now student, it will be 98,000 and 70,000 credit. Total will be 1,68,000. So total credit will be of Ravi 2,90,000 credit, and Mohan it will be 2,14,000 credit, and when we add it will be 5,04,000 credit. So student, when we deduct debit from credit and debit credit from debit, it will affect 38,000 credit and 38,000 debit, and this is also debit, and debit will be cancelled. 5,04,000 debit and credit will be cancelled. So net effect will be 38,000 and 38,000, and journal entry will be Mohan's current account DR to Ravi's current account 38,000. So this is the journal entry for adjustment of interest and salary. Now student, I am going to solve next question. Question number 43A. Question is saying KLM were partners. They started business in one of the remote tribal areas of northeast India. They were interested in the development to the tribal community by providing good education and health. On 31st March 2020, after taking adjustment for profits and drawings, their capital were 3 lakh, 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively. Their drawings were 20,000, 15,000 and 5,000 respectively. The profit earned by the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 was 1,80,000. It was later found that interest on capital for the year ended 31st March at the rate of 6% per annum was not allowed. Showing your working note clearly, pass necessary adjustment entry. This question was asked in CBSE 2014 All India Compartmental Exam, Set 2. So now in this question, closing balance of capitals are given. So first we will calculate opening capital. Opening capital of firm we have to calculate in this question. So closing capital is given rupees 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Of partner K, L and M. Now I will add drawing 20,000, 15,000 and 5,000 respectively given, and minus net profit is given 60,000. It will be equal because ratio of partners sharing ratio not given in question, so it will be equal 60,000, 60,000, 60,000. And when we deduct net profit, add drawing in closing capital, our opening capital will be 2,60,000, 1,55,000 and 45,000 respectively. It means we will always calculate interest on capital on opening capital, and in this question 6%, at the rate of 6%, interest on capital was not allowed. So now we will adjust interest on capital. Now student, we will calculate adjustment of capital. So I will write table showing adjustment, and I will also prepare a table. Total K, L and M. Particulars. Now net amount that should have been credited to partner will be net amount credited previously is 15,600 9,300 and 2,700. Total will be 27,600. This will be interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum. So we will credit because interest on capital not given, Now, due to omission, before adjusted due to omission, 27,600, and it will be in equal ratio because ratio is not given. So 9,200 will be debit, 9,200 debit, and 9,200 debit. Total will be 27,600, and net effect will be 6,400 credit, 100 credit, and 6,500 will be debit. So journal entry will be M's capital account, DR, to K's capital account, to L's capital account, being rectifying entry passed, being rectifying entry passed. Amount will be 6,500, K 6,400, and L 100. So student, this is the solution of question number 43. I hope that you have understand. If any problem, then you will call me. Thank you very much.